Hello! Today we will be doing a tutorial on making a mod. So we are going to open up Blockbench here, and we're going to go down to modded entity. One sec. And now we're going to name it. You guys don't have to name it as I do, but I'm going to call it Ninja. Let me get this typed in. I'm not the fastest typer. You guys could call it whatever you want. You could, yeah. And it doesn't matter how you make it look, because it's the same process if you make it look horribly different. So, to begin, you're going to want to add a cube. You can move that cube around, but I'm just going to start building. So you could use the resize tool and resize it. This isn't going to look good. This is just because I want to make this model fast. Okay. There's the resize tool up there. And now I'm just going to make the arms. I can't even tell those are arms. Oh yeah, to move it around, right click to pan, and left click to move your vision around. Okay, I think I'm done my model. Now, you're going not want to go there actually. You're going to want to go back into edit here now. Oh, you should make sure that's open. You have to put all the cubes inside a group. Doesn't matter what you call the group. But then you put all of them in the group, and you select the group, and then you go over to add texture, create texture. Make sure template is on, by the way. And now you can start painting. Okie dokie, I'm just going to make mine all black real quick. By the way, I didn't do it, but you could, in the top left corner, just use paint bucket on that, and that will fully select it all. I went one over there. It's kind of so, oh, let me get that. Dup, dup, bop. Anywhere else I missed? I don't think so. Oh! In that leg there. And I think we're done here. What am I doing? So, we could always, if we want to select the color again, hit the color picker and then left click on that. And then paintbrush if you just want to paint pixels. Okay. So, now we're going to want to go to export. We're going to export a Java entity, and you're going to want to save that in pictures. Then you do that. You can name the file, but I didn't. Just hit save. It's going to make you do it again. Just hit save. And then go down to your texter and then do the same thing. But you just need to hit save texter. And then you will hit save. And now you're going to want to exit out of blockbench. And then go over to mcreator. And open that. Give it a second. It does not matter what version you are, it's going to almost be the same for all. I'm on an early version, but you could open your workspace. I'm going to create a new workspace here. And I'm just going to name it E2. And then down there, I'll do EW because down there you can't do letters. You're going to want to X out of this. That's not important. Now I'm just going to cut to when this is done loading. There we go. Now you're going to want to open resources. And then import textures. Import mob GUI or whatever. The last one there. And then you go to pictures. You find texture. That's what I just named my texture. There we go. That's in there. Now go to 3D mapping. And you have to make sure you hit import Java 3D model. Hit OK. And then go into pictures where you saved the model. And it should be as you saved it. Okay? Now, you could set an animation, but I'm not covering that in this video. So there we go. And now we need to create a living entity. And I'm just going to name it Ninja. You could call it whatever you want, doesn't really matter. Sorry, I'm so slow typing. Okay, and you can change all of this, but really to get the model, you do that. You could change all of this. You could go into behaviors, particles, inventory, triggers, AI goals. In this video, I'm not going to cover triggers because triggers is confusing, but you're going to have to go into texture of entity and select the correct texture. And triggers I'm not covering, just saying that again. And now you're doing save as mod element. Then you're doing run client. And if hit run client, and then I think I'm just going to cut into when Minecraft's opening. This only takes like 2 minutes. But make sure you check in the bottom right to make sure it's actually doing it. It should say task run client. If it doesn't, you're going to want to press it again. And then sometimes it just shows up on your screen, but you're going to want to click the Minecraft icon. By the way, Minecraft comes with mcreator. Just saying. And when this loads up, I'll be back. There we go. Now we're going to open single player and then do creative and open. Creative is just so I can show you really quickly. And yes, there we go. And now we're going to want to go down, find yours. It's probably going to be in the bottom, but you could have changed it a bit. But this is my Ninja. Yeah, I know, but it's not the best. There we go.